Okay, hi guys. This video is it's the third in our little session, and we're looking now at adding images with respect to perspective. So, trying to make sure that when we put images in, like we learned in art classes, that we put them in um, so that the size and the proportion makes sense. So, as they get further away, they are smaller. But also thinking about these lines and how we place them to keep them in a kind of in a sensible location. So what we will be doing is using this one here, the add image function in Pixlr. Um, of course, what we're going to need to do then is click onto our layers, and we're going to need to add an image. What's important before we do that, however, is making sure we've got an image that we are going to add. So you can find the images if you do some sensible searching. I have searched here for Star Christmas PNG. I've used PNG because generally speaking, they're encoded with transparency, and I can also confirm that with the tools, the search tools. So I'm going to quickly hold my finger on that one, and I'm going to save image as. Put that into my downloads folder. That'll be fine. I don't really want a super long name like that, so I'm just going to rename it star.png. That's fine. In it goes. I've also prepared another search that I will do. So, oh, that's not what I wanted. I also did Santa Claus sleigh. But again, I want this to be a silhouette. I want it to be black and white, and I want it to be a PNG image. So I'm just going to reconfirm that search. If I go through these, I should be able to find one that works. That looks okay to me. Or perhaps this one. Have a look. Let's go with that and see if that one's going to work. What I want is it to be a PNG image. So again, hold my finger, save image as. I need it to come up at the bottom with PNG on the file name. I think it has, but it's a very long one. Let's get rid of some of that. I'm just going to write Santa in there. And I'm going to click save. So in my image, am I adding my layer? I'm going to click image, and then I'm going to try and find those two files I downloaded. So hopefully they're in my downloads folder. There they are, Santa first. Let's open that one up. And there he is, ready to fly through my sky. I think I'm going to make him just sort of hop over that peak there. Maybe I could make it a little bit bigger. Or maybe he's going through the valley. I'm not sure. What I want to do is kind of make sure that the size works and he sits sensibly in my image. I can zoom in and think about these white patches and perhaps tidy that up a little bit. But for today, I'm just going to leave it as it is. It looks like this kind of Christmas magic flowing off him. The other thing I wanted to do was add my star, so I can do that as well. Add image. Find my second downloaded image, and there it is, star, open. Now that's obviously appeared way too big. Put that up there, it's going to look crazy, but I can resize it. I can place it in a more sensible spot. But what I think I'll probably do with that one is perhaps put a little bit of haze over that as well. So I'll go back to my painted layer, go back to my paint tool, my drawing tool, and I've still got it set with transparency, very soft, very big, and I can make sure this layer is on top of my star, and then I can actually kind of fuzz that a little bit. I don't think I want it to be quite so clear. Right, so see if you guys can add in some layers, pick the images, and obviously make sure you've saved a couple of those as PNG files before you start placing them. Over to you.